What is we here to see, Papa J?
Jay, we here to see the boy.
What boy?
Rob J.
The Restoration.
Rob J is out with his new album, Restoration.
Don't get it twisted, we're praising Jesus. Don't get it twisted, we're praising Jesus. Don't get it twisted.
Don't Get It Twisted and Letting Go is just a few hot tracks on this CD.
So I'm letting go. Letting go.
Rob J and J Factor, Stellar Award nominated, the two-time nominated Rhythm of Gospel Award artist, will have you singing the name of Jesus.
Jesus, 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 Jesus. Hold up, wait a minute, let us put some praising in it. Don't get it, don't get it, don't get it.
This album is available